We generally support the notion that adding power improves any vehicle, even if every car need not rearrange your innards with G-forces in order to be fun. A case in point is the updated 2017 which finally is available with a perky, turbocharged engine that not only brings a significant boost in performance but an altogether more thoroughly executed feel. Limited to the range-topping model, Exclaim, in the Kiaverse. Starts at a reasonable $23,695, while that's nearly $7,000 dearer than the base Soul, and $1,545 more than last year's non-turbo Exclaim. The upcharge includes Hyundai and Kia's corporate turbocharged 1.6-liter inline-4 making 201 horsepower and 195 pounds-feet of torque, 71 horses more than the Soul's standard, naturally aspirated 1.6-liter and a solid 40 more ponies than the now mid-level 2.0-liter 4-cylinder. The 1.6T's power builds smoothly, and its 1500 RPM torque peak translates into ample mid-range grunt. We dig the raspy fizz from the turbo's twin tailpipes, which sounds spunky yet draw the attention of aggro dudes and slammed Honda Civics. Although if they notice the Exclaim's specific red stripe around the lower body, it's probably on. They've been warned. The Soul's turbo engine is paired exclusively with a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission, which does without racy launch control programming or paddle shifters. Manual gear changes are possible via the console shifter. Despite those omissions and carrying 117 pounds more weight than our 3,202-pound test car, dashed to 60 miles per hour a full 2.0 seconds quicker, 6.5 seconds versus 8.5, and its 15.1 second quarter-mile pass at 93 miles per hour was better by 1.6 seconds and 9 miles per hour. For reference, in which that 2.0-liter 2015 Soul finished second, the victorious could manage only 8.1 and 16.3 second runs. Even the 215 HP